Today I'm going to show you how to make some melted crayon art. So you're going to start by gathering all your materials. You're going to want a hot glue gun, your Sharpies and pencil, a hair dryer, and some crayons, preferably with the paper off, but you don't have to. You can leave it on, and your canvas, but I forgot to film that. So you're going to want to start by maybe doing a little sketch on your canvas. You don't have to. You could just do fun colors of melted crayon, but I wanted to do a little sketch. So start by sketching something onto your canvas and then go over that sketch with Sharpie, mainly just so it kind of pops, but again, you don't have to. This is just how I did it. So yeah, go over with Sharpie, and once you're done that, you are going to want to go over your drawing and just erase all your pencil, erase all your extra squiggles and all your little lines and everything, just so that the drawing is really clean before you move on to the next step. Next, you're going to want to plug in your hot glue gun. I strongly recommend having parental supervision, or at least permission, before you do this, but yeah, plug in your hot glue gun and kind of let it warm up a little bit before you start gluing on all your crayons. Please and thank you. Next, you're going to want to get your hot glue gun and start putting some hot glue on the bottom of all your crayons. Or you could put it on the canvas and then just stick the crayon onto the glue that's on the canvas already. I kind of did both because some of my crayons were broken, and yeah, I just needed them all to stick together. So then you put the glue on the bottom of the canvas, and then put your crayons on top so that they're all stuck together. And just do that until all of your crayons are stuck onto your canvas. Real nice. Okay, so once you've got all your crayons onto your canvas, glued on there, and you've pulled away some of the glue string, you're going to take your hair dryer and blow hot air onto it to make the wax melt. And depending on how you aim the hair dryer, the wax is going to go in different directions, so just be aware of that. And maybe also put some paper under your easel so that you don't get it on the floor. I forgot to do that, so there's a little bit of wax on the floor. So just be careful of where you're pointing your hair dryer and maybe put some stuff on the floor. And then you're done. Have fun!